Welcome all. Today I have received my Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo pack, and it's a wonderful device. I have read so many reviews on the internet, so I got inspired, so I thought I should buy one. So it cost me around 673 euros, and it came up with the three major accessories. One is with the wide angle lens, the microphone, and the extended battery. So here they have put what is actually inside in details. So I have here the Osmo Pocket 3, its cover, one microphone transmitter receiver, and then I have the smaller cover that actually it is the base that one can attach with the tripod. And then I have the extended battery that I can actually connect on the base and take my shots with it. And then I have the one tripod, one USB cable, its bag where I can actually put everything together. Then I have the windshield and the wide angle lens and the accessory to grab everything on my wrist, actually wrist binder or something like that. So in the Osmo Pocket 3, I have the possibility to shoot with the 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 120 frames per second, and some other areas. Let's see what's inside the box. Yeah. So let's see what's inside the box we have. Yeah, I have to cut this one first. And then it's very nice to open the seal. So nowadays they have packed really tight everything, very tidy. So when you open it, then you have the small bag. Everything is inside here. Some stickers from DJI if you want to use them. And then some instructions how to use them, how to activate the device while scanning this thing, and some other information. So I will just put it here in a row like this so one can actually see the stuff here. Okay, then this is just the box now. I will just put it on the side. So here in the accessories pack, we have the, it's so tight, have to open on the both sides. So I guess this is the case where I can put the camera back after using it. So inside the case, it's very nice. So you can actually put your wide angle lens here, and then you can also put your micro SD card or some other accessory. So it's very nice build, feels very solid. Just like I'm using the Osmo Pocket 1, so it's also a similar thing in the product quality point of view. So then in the box we have, so it's a very nice stuff box. So when you open it, you have the camera, and it's the screen like this. So then it gets on. I can turn this off, and in the settings I can choose English and so on. But I will do this later. So I will switch off for right now, and when you turn this off, then it will switch off automatically. So then we have the, I guess this is the extended battery with the base. Yep, it goes like here in the bottom. on the base. Then I have the microphone. So it's nice with the clip, so one can actually easily attach it, and then it has its own switch on and switch off button, and then connectivity button. So it looks very nice. So then this is the original base that you get with the camera, and it has the quarter screw that one can actually mount on the tripod if needed to. So then we have the tiny little tripod itself. So this actually goes here, and then you can actually connect with the camera. And then we have the, well, so then I have the windshield for the microphone. So, and then I have the hand wrist grip thing, then I can actually attach it so the camera will not fall when you're vlogging. And then one USB C to C cable. Alright, then we have the, so this is the, I think it's magnetic as well, the wide angle lens. Yeah, it's the 15mm that actually zoom out the image of 0.75 millimeter. So if you are shooting like in 1x, then the image you will see after this lens will be 0.75 bigger. So yeah, I will put this here. And this is one other thing. I don't know what's inside here. So this is some sort of magnetic connector that I need to attach somewhere here. So I will see how it will work. So that's it. So yeah, it's a very nice bag, very nice product quality that you will get with the other DJI products, and it's very handy and it's very small, so you can actually travel anywhere with it. So again, for the recap, so in the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, you have the one Osmo Pocket 3 camera. This is the original base you will get, and then this is the extra base with the battery itself, so you have the extended battery life, and it also has the tripod mount that you can actually mount here. Same is with the smaller that does not have the battery, but it's the base of the camera where you can actually mount on the tripod. So one tripod, one teeny tiny beautiful microphone, and this is the windshield for the microphone. And then you have the wide angle lens, which is 15mm equivalent. I think originally is 22mm. So then you have the bigger field of view. And then you have the magnetic connector, the camera case, where you can actually put the wide angle lens and your extra micro SD card with it. Then one USB C to C cable, the small tripod, and the hand grip you want to attach with your camera, and some books if you want to read. The important thing is this part where you can actually scan and use to activate your camera and download the apps and other stuff, and some stickers. So this is it. Apart from that, I have bought the when I am making the walking and going videos, so this is one extra accessories. So this one extra accessory cost like 19 euros, and where you can actually use all the DJI or GoPro other accessory to mount on. And then this will go, the camera will go inside here, and then the camera will go then inside here, and you can mount it when you are doing walking and talking videos, so where you want to have your both hands free. So this thing costs like 673 euros, and then this is 19 euros extra accessory. Yeah, so this is it, and thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I will do another review video where I will use the camera and then explain how it works and how good it is, and it is worth to spend money on this thing. So thank you, bye bye.